Alright, so today's been kind of a busy day. I'll show you guys what I got done with the sanding. But I also, I'll go through my day here in a minute, but we got these tomatoes here. I can't remember what kind they were, but it's what my dad wanted this and he planted it. But we got a bunch of tomatoes, as you can see. Really, but we got quite a few here, as you can see. So built this cage. One other thing I've got to do, I'll probably do it in the morning, is to take this wire and bury it, and then I'm gonna put some rocks around the edge here, around this bottom here. These squirrels I'm getting here. So this is what my neighbor said, yeah, put some of this on there. So then I put up these 4 posts here, and this is looking pretty good, so yeah. Otherwise, guys, today did some weed eating. Well, no, not weed eating. I'm sorry. I sanded this morning, and then I went and went to a house and got the yard looking nice with the bagger and stuff. And that took me about an hour just to bag all that stuff up. Hour and a half or so. And then I weed eated and blew everything off, and so yeah, I got to get this clean tomorrow. It's a mess. It's pretty messy. And then the bagger's there and the tubes are up there, so it's all taken off and put away for now. And then I just went back to somebody's house and brought some wire back, you know, that neighbor gave us. And so anyways, so yeah, so and then after that I came home. It was about 2 o'clock at that time, and I got some I ate lunch, and then I kind of sat in the house for an hour, and then I came back out at about 3. Went and hoed some stickers at a house, because guys, I hate those grass bird things, you know. If you walk barefoot in the yard and you get them, they're not fun to pull out, or weeding or anything. So I got those out, what I could see. I'll have to go over there in a couple days when they start to come out some more and see what else I can get out of there. So we got that done, and so that was good. So yeah. So we're moving right along with all these projects. It's nice. I got a bunch of things I want to do. I still want to do some hedge trimming stuff. I'm obviously going to have to do some here on this pool and the pool fence here, because there's some stuff over there that's got to be trimmed, and so I can sand it, and some of it we got to tie up and move out of the way. So yeah, it's a whole mess of things. So anyways, we got these Italian cypress trees over there to do. So anyways, yeah, so I got all that. I want to do hedge trimming, some stuff I want to hedge trim, and want to hedge trim some things. I want to redo a paver trail that I have. It's kind of messed up. I'm actually gonna go show you guys it over here, way far over here. Walk over there. It's not really messed up, but you can see this front. Just the camera doesn't do justice, but there's dips right there, and yeah, I just gotta redo this. So to work on that sometimes. But, yeah, anyways, and that's pretty much it. Really about all I can think of. So I got with the drum here, I got all of this. I got all in between here. I got this side sanded, this front side. I got all this front side here. All that bottom, these little in between here. Same thing on this. And then I finished sanding from these two sides here all the way to here. And all I've got left to do is got to do this. I got to sand the bottom part tomorrow, and I got to sand that bottom bar there. And then over here I've got to do these back three sides, and there's two in between, and this side facing this way. So yeah, anyways, you guys can see all the plants and stuff here, so I'll have to work on that sometime. I think I'm gonna, once I finish that tomorrow, I'm gonna go around that side there, this side right here. So I'd like to do that and just continue on there. I guess it'd be good. And so yeah, anyways, that's that. Anyways, we'll see you guys tomorrow, and again I'll try to film, but oh yeah, and then I sometime want to put out this, there's some good compost in here I need to put out this week. So, and I need to trim the crepe myrtle bottoms and just trim up some of the limbs, and you see guys all the projects I've got going. Rebuild the Honda, and yeah, do a bunch of things, and there's a bunch of little projects with this stuff as well. So anyways guys, we'll see you guys tomorrow, and we'll see what we get done. Anyway, see you guys later. Bye.